the nature of Ishmael, even if they want, they can't. It's in their genes. In their genes. Why? The Torah say, Hashem, the creator of the world, say, Pere Adam, a wild beast. He's a wild beast. There's nowhere in a history you can do any peace agreement with him. It's never going to end. If he cannot kill you, he doesn't have any point of life here. His life is worthless if he cannot spill your blood. That's all he thinks about. I promise you, if we move to the moon, all Jews will be sent by a spaceship to the moon to start from zero. They'll follow us to the moon to kill us over there. Why? Their life will be worthless without spilling Jewish blood. That's it. So what's the point of talking about making an arrangement, politics, let's give them half of the land? It's never going to end. You see what's going on here? It gets only worse. Why? When you show weakness, our children being slaughtered while they sleep. That's all. So you ask, so what's going to be the end? It's going to stay like this forever? Bloodshed forever? The answer, yes. Unless if the Jews will make peace with God, with Hashem. When all Jews would make peace with Hashem, they'll be like a feather flying in the wind. Shh. In 1 second, you won't see one of them left. Only reason they get power, the Zohar already said. When Israel is down, Ishmael is up. When Israel is up, Ishmael is down, which means Ishmael doesn't have his own existence. His existence comes from me and you. If I do what needs to be done, he's eliminated completely. He can stand over there in Gaza and bark until tomorrow. He cannot do anything. But when I'm going and betrayed Hashem, he becomes very strong and very brave. That's what's going on. Otherwise, here, look in the history. Look in the Arab countries. There were